Morning everybody, it's Duke. I came in here to wash clothes the other day and my wash machine would not operate. So I'm going to try to fix it. What it is, that little switch right there. I found a black plastic piece down the bottom of it, and I've already had this out once and it is broken, so I ordered one. And I guess this is going to be a how-to video if I can get it set right. Anyway, I've got the new part in. It's GE Appliances. There's the package info. And here's, well, let's see. They covered up the part number. I guess they didn't want nobody else to know. I don't know. And this happened Monday morning, so I got on the Amazon and ordered a part. Through them. Alright, the part number is WHO. No, yeah. No, I don't know if it's an O or a 0. WHOTX2 7954. It's lead lock quick release. And what it does is, when this thing goes into spinning to keep kids from sticking their hands in there that aren't taught right, it locks the lid down. I don't like it personally, but we don't have kids. But it will not work without this. So, I guess I'll show you how to do it. I'll be right back. I gotta go get a couple tools. Back in a minute. That didn't take long. All I had to do is get my knife. That's all I need. And what I'll do is, let me get it up here. Alright, show you how to do this. Slide your knife under the edge of that. And then pick up on it. And it pops off and goes inside. But it goes in the tub, so it's alright. Then, you gotta reach under here, this edge. Let's see. Okay, yeah, right there. And you can reach that switch. And that switch will slide. I can't even tell if you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that switch will slide right out. Come on now. There. Now it doesn't give you much lead to unplug it, but you can do it if you try hard enough. Let me see if you can see it right there. Alright. Anyway, there's the switch. It's got a little tab on the bottom that you push up on. Hope that didn't hurt too much. Anyway, here's to see a little white tab right there. You just push on that and it comes right off. Unplugs. So I'm going to set you over there while I take care of this. Because I don't see how people do this with two hands. And there is the switch. Now, I've already had this thing apart once. And what gets me is, now I know they do it to make you buy more stuff. Let's see, you got a little latch right there. And then you got another one somewhere else. Yeah, there it is. No, that's not it. Yeah, it is. Well, the whole damn thing's gone apart. Now, this switch right here, there's nothing wrong with it. There's a little piece that goes right here, and it slides back and forth. Well, you know what? Now that I think of it, I guess it did break off this. It goes right there. It's just a little bitty tab, just a real small one. I had it the other day. I can't find it this morning. But anyway, I'm not taking this one apart to find it to show you. But anyway, just gotta go back in like that right there. Now, as you can see, they are both identical. The only thing difference is this one has a label that says "Do not remove." All this had a piece of sticky tape. So what I'm going to do, that had sticky tape to hold it in place. So I've got some 3M tape that will hold anything, if I can find it. I'll be right back. Well, I've lost it somewhere. But what I'll do is take some shipping tape and roll it up like this, and that will hold it till I can get some double-sided tape. Alright, now let's put this in. It's got a one-way switch, so I ain't got to worry about putting it in wrong, because it won't go if you try to. So it can only go in one way. There. As you can see, I've got it in, and it's not hitting nowhere. That tape might work holding it in there. I will get some double-sided tape. I had some. So now I'll run a test on it to see how it works. Let's see. I got drain and wash is all I'm gonna need. Small. Alright. I'll come back and that should take care of it. Now I will hang on to this part just in case something breaks on that new part, and I can use parts off this to fix it. There. That's right back in. I will see y'all in about, takes about 30 minutes. Bye. Okay, this is now going through rinse cycle. And as you can see, it says spin, lid lock, and the lid is locked. So we know that's working. It should start spinning here in a minute or stop. I don't know. There it goes. Now this is the noisiest washing machine I've ever seen. It is loud and noisy. It's called the GE Deep Fill. And if I had a choice, I won't buy another one. When we wash clothes and try to watch TV, we have to close the utility room door in order to do it. But that should take care of the switch, and everything seems to be working all right. And I'm gonna call it quits. Good Lord. I apparently didn't brush my hair this morning. Good Lord. But anyway, that's how you replace the door switch on a GE washing machine. I try not to do too many how-to videos because someone's going to say I did it wrong. But it works. That's what counts. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.